Sa isang eksklusibong panayam sa model at singer na si Raila Tomakin nilinaw nitong hindi umano siya ang third party sa hiwalayan ng celebrity couple na sina Kobe Paras at actress na si Kylene Alcantara. Sinabi rin nitong hindi umano niya type si Kobe aniya, "Kobe is not my type. I am not into sports people. I am into business people. I like a guy who can stimulate my mind. I want a guy who knows how to be a man. I don't want to have to teach someone how to be a man. I need maturity. I want older guys." Iginiit ng singer at model na si Raila Tomakin na magkaibigan lang at nag-uusap pa rin sila ng basketball star hanggang ngayon. Saad nito, "Kobe is such a great guy, a very good friend, but that's about it. Yeah, we're friends. Still friends." May mensahe rin siya para kay Kylene ani nito, "I wish her all the best. I wish her more projects, more love, more happiness. I wish her all the best because at the end of the day, we have our own blessings, like, I wish her blessings in the world and I have my own." Nag-iwan din ng mensahe si Raila sa mga taong nambabash sa kanya ani nito, "I suggest that you strengthen your life force, find your passion, and put energy into something that will benefit you because you're probably never gonna meet me.